Exercise 36. Which of the following equations defines a line in the xy plane that crosses the positive x and the positive y axis? So, let's see. First of all, what does it mean by that? We have the xy plane, this is y and this is x. The positive x-axis is this, while the positive y-axis is that. So we need to find which line of these suggested four crosses these two specific parts of my axis. We need to draw, so what's better than using Desmos? Let's take A, 6x plus 9y equals 18. Well, this specific one, where is it? You see that if we zoom in, it does cross the axis that I needed. So it has to be that, but let's see if the others are wrong as well. 4x minus 5y equals 220. No, it doesn't. Then 3x minus 4y is negative 12. It also doesn't. And finally, negative 2x plus 5y equals to 10. It also doesn't. So the right answer to this question, as found in the early beginning of the solution, would be A.